Good evening from Hackensack. This is Victor. I got some beautiful monkfish tails at Costco Wholesale in Teterboro yesterday. And tonight I'm going to be making a fish and vegetable medley, starting with organic baby spinach, just drizzling it with a little olive oil. And then I'll be cutting the fish and seasoning it. I'm going to use various, this Bruschetta over here, and this Classico seasoning, sort of a Hispanic take on seasoning. I've never seen monkfish tails this big. I usually buy them at Whole Foods Market, where they're $8.99 a pound. But these monster tails are from Costco, as I said, and they were only $6.99 a pound. This looks like the filet mignon of fish. In any case, monkfish has this texture of lobster when it cooks up, so I'm going to extend the cooking time because of the thickness of the fillets to about 20-25 minutes instead of the usual 15 minutes in a preheated 400-degree oven. So I squeezed some lemon juice over the pieces, and now we'll do half of them in this bruschetta mixture, which includes a little salt, and half of them in the Latino-inspired mixture. Of course, there's plenty. You can see there's plenty of grated Parmesan there. The fish stock in Closter is this great Icelandic fish shop, and that's the first place I've seen. The first place I saw the use of Parmesan in a fish and vegetable medley like this. So. Okay, but so before I put it into the oven, I added some pitted black olives. These are small olives, so I didn't have to chop them. I had done some shishito peppers, these mild peppers, in olive oil this morning. So I added some of those with the stems removed, and then I sliced a couple of large Campari tomatoes, about the only tomatoes that have any flavor during the winter. And now I'm going to be putting it into the preheated oven. So here's two parts of the tail, the monkfish fillet, and some Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt with dill, lemon juice, and olive oil. This is 25 minutes, but I'm going to be putting it back in the oven for a little while longer. So make the cooking time 30 minutes for the thicker portions. Enjoy.